All right, today I get the pleasure to walk you through this 2026 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. Boy, the Grand Mariner is just a gorgeous looking pontoon. Obviously you can see with the white and the black, beautiful ion tower, JL speakers up on the tower. 230 Grand Mariner from Harris. This is an SL single lounger layout. Obviously we got the Mercury back here. This is a 300 horse V8 on the back of this beauty. Let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest. All right, we'll start here in the back. As you can see, the interior does have the black. It is the Cool Touch technology. You've got the nice JL audio back here, the Harris. That all lights up at night. Ski tow bar, places for fenders. And like I said, this is the SL or single lounger. So you can sit back here, the backrest moves. And then we got dual captain's chairs, side by side, raised helm. Again, this tower's awesome. It's got lighting inside the tower as well with the speakers, bimini, and it is automatic. So it can raise and lower. We got the built-in table right there. And then up at the helm here, like I mentioned, 300 horse Merc with the digital throttle. We got the dual SIMRAD screens, JL audio head unit, and then the really cool steering wheel. Got nice seating up here at the bow, both sides, armrests, storage underneath there, storage in the floor. Boy, the Grand Mariner is just a beauty out on the water. Come on down to MarineMax in Rogers and get a closer look.